Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your celebrations and everyday needs. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best Christmas cupcake toppers set available right now. The Chewarelly 24 pieces Christmas Cupcake Toppers. Whether you're planning a cozy family get-together or hosting a festive holiday bash, this little addition can make a big difference on your dessert table. Let's dive right in. The Chewarelly Christmas Cupcake Toppers come in a generous 24-piece pack, featuring 8 delightfully festive designs. Each design is repeated 3 times, giving you variety while making sure you have enough to decorate all your cupcakes. Now, what makes these toppers stand out is their adorable and highly detailed Christmas themes. You've got Santa Claus, snowmen, reindeer, Christmas trees, stockings, snowflakes, and more. The illustrations are vibrant, playful, and just full of holiday spirit. When you place these on top of your cupcakes, they immediately set the tone for a fun and cheerful Christmas celebration. Material-wise, Chewarelly didn't cut corners. These toppers are made from a glittery cardstock that sparkles subtly under lights and adds that extra touch of magic. They're attached to natural bamboo picks, which are food-safe and sturdy. You won't have to worry about them bending or breaking while decorating. These are durable and reliable, while still maintaining a festive aesthetic. In terms of size, each decorative top measures between 1.5 to 4 inches, depending on the design. The stick part is about 3 inches long. This makes them the ideal size, big enough to be noticeable and appreciated, but not so large that they overwhelm your cupcakes or other treats. They're also perfect for a variety of uses, cupcakes, of course, but also cakes, brownies, fruit platters, cheese boards, or even as fun accents in your holiday cocktails. What's especially great is how versatile they are beyond just home baking. If you're planning a holiday party, a cookie exchange, a family dinner, or even a small gathering at the office, these toppers elevate your presentation effortlessly. They also make a wonderful addition to DIY baking kits or festive gift boxes. They're cute, clean, and hassle-free, making them ideal for both amateur bakers and seasoned dessert decorators. And while they look premium, using them couldn't be easier. You simply insert them into your finished treats, and you're good to go. No need to deal with messy icing or complicated setup. It's a plug-and-play kind of decoration, perfect for when you want maximum effect with minimum effort. To wrap things up, the Chewarelly 24 pieces Christmas Cupcake Toppers are a small investment that brings a lot of joy. They're charming, well-made, and bring instant Christmas spirit to any dish you add them to. If you're looking for something to make your festive table stand out this season, this set is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thoughtful reviews and seasonal recommendations. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next one.